In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to Google Drive files and folders. Adding emoji to file and folder names is a quick way to make your drive more visual and easier to scan. It helps you spot priority items, group related content, and bring a bit of personality to shared spaces, all without changing how your files work. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and landing on the main home view so you can see your files and folders. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace before you rename anything, especially if you're organizing shared content. Next, select the file or folder you want to update. You can do this by clicking once to highlight it. Then open the More Actions menu, which appears as three vertical dots next to the item. This is the same menu you use for common actions like moving, sharing, or downloading, and it's where you'll find the Rename option. Choose Rename from the menu. A small rename window will appear with the current name selected. This is where you'll add the emoji. Keep your important keywords in the name so the item remains searchable and readable by teammates. Emojis are a supplement, not a replacement for good naming. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key together to open the emoji picker. A panel will pop up with categories like smileys, objects, and symbols. You can scroll or type to search for the emoji you want, then click it to insert it directly into the name field. Place the emoji at the beginning for fast visual scanning, or at the end if you want to keep names consistent for sorting. On Mac OS, the emoji picker is available with Control plus Command plus Space, which works the same way. Aim for 1 to 2 emojis so names stay clean. Consider using a simple legend across your drive, like a star for priority or a check for completed items. Avoid characters that look similar or don't render well on older systems. If your organization has naming guidelines, keep those in mind. When you're happy with the name, confirm by clicking OK. You can also press Enter. The new name appears immediately in Drive, and the change carries over to shared users and mobile apps. If you want to adjust it later, repeat the same rename action. The emoji is part of the text, so it's searchable and behaves like any other character. That's all you need to add emoji to Google Drive files and folders. Use this approach to build a clear, consistent visual system that makes your drive faster to navigate and more enjoyable to use.